If you are a younger driver, then you need to be especially careful when you're driving. Part of the reason for that is that if you're required to have insurance in order to drive your car, and if you're a younger driver, they're going to be charging you more anyway, just because they're assuming that you're less experienced. Frequently, younger drivers are going to take chances that older drivers are not, so they're going to charge you, and so those premiums are already going to be much higher. Now, if you go out and you start getting tickets or even a ticket, that can start ramping up your insurance rates even more. So be especially careful there. Another consideration is that very frequently when you're in court, this is one of the unfortunate realities of kind of facing off with people talking about things and making decisions about you, is that if you go in there and you're just a young kid and you're saying something against an adult, very often, I've seen this many, many times, where judges will just kind of believe the older person just because you're a young kid. And they think, well, you're young, you don't know what you're doing. So you're almost walking into court at a disadvantage, in my opinion, in many circumstances. So if you're a young driver, be super careful on the road. Do not do anything that's going to get you any sort of citations, that's going to get you in any sort of trouble. Make sure that you are aware of what the basic driving laws are, and be careful out there.